Alright, example 6, solving the system using any of the methods in word problem form. So State Fair is a popular field trip destination. This year the senior class at high school A and the senior class at high school B both planned trips there. The senior class at high school A rented and filled 2 vans and 12 buses with 708 students. High school B rented and filled 1 van and 1 bus with 69 students. Each van and each bus carried the same number of students. How many students can a van carry? How many students can a bus carry? Okay, so we highlight key information. Key information here is that high school A filled 2 vans, 12 buses, and there was 708 students. And then high school B rented and filled 1 van, 1 bus, and there was a total of 69 students. So we're interested in figuring out how many students can fit in a van, how many students can fit in a bus. So the variables that we're dealing with here is V, van, and B, students in a bus. Okay, so let's set up our equation. We know that high school A is going to have an equation, and we know high school B is going to have an equation. So high school A filled 2 vans plus 12 buses, and the total amount of students was 708. High school B filled 1 van and 1 bus, and there were 69 students. Okay, so it looks like elimination is the easiest method to use here. And what I'm going to do is eliminate the V's, the vans. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -2. Top equation stays as it is, so we have 2v plus 12b equals 708, and then we multiply -2 to the bottom, so we have -2v minus 2b equals 69 times 2 is -138. And we have to add the 2 equations together. So we have 2b minus 2b eliminates 12b minus 2b is 10b. And then 708 minus 138 is 570. We have to get b by itself, so we divide both sides by 10. So B equals 57 students on the bus. And then we have to figure out how many students can fit on the van, so I'm going to use the bottom equation. So we have 1v plus 1 times 57 equals 69. 1 times 57 is just 57. Bring down the 1v equals 69. So I have to get v by itself, subtract 57 on both sides. So the van, 69 minus 57 is 12. So there are 12 students in the van that can be fit in the van. So those are your 2 solutions to this.